Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the T3 Afar Hair Dryer, a compact yet powerful option designed specifically for travel. The T3 Afar Hair Dryer stands out in the crowded market of travel hair dryers for its blend of portability and performance. Let's delve into its design, features, and performance to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The T3 Afar comes in a stylish satin blush finish, which not only looks premium but also feels great in hand. It's 25% lighter and 30% smaller than full-size T3 models, making it incredibly easy to handle and perfect for packing in your travel bag. The foldable handle is a nice touch, snapping securely into place for compact storage. Moving on to features, this dryer packs a punch despite its size. It offers 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings, giving you flexibility depending on your hair type and styling needs. One standout feature is the ion air technology, which helps reduce frizz and leaves hair smooth and shiny. The concentrator nozzle included allows for precise airflow control, which is great for styling. Now, let's talk performance. At 1,500 watts, the T3 Afar may not match the power of larger hair dryers, but it's surprisingly effective. It dries hair quickly and evenly, thanks to its ion-infused airstream. The controls are intuitive, though it took me a moment to get used to the cool shot button, which clicks into place for a secure hold. In conclusion, the T3 Afar Hair Dryer is a solid choice for travelers seeking a blend of portability and performance. While it comes at a higher price point compared to other travel dryers, its build quality and results justify the investment for those who prioritize hair care on the go. That wraps up our review of the T3 Afar Hair Dryer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.